So here now is the final topic for the derivative of trigonometric functions, which is the derivative of cosecant function. So the derivative of the cosecant function, it is given by the formula d over dx of cosecant u. This is equal to the negative cosecant u, cosecant u, cotangent u du. This is somewhat similar doon sa derivative ng ating second function since 'di ba ang derivative ng secant is secant u tangent u du. So halos parehas lang sila, yung inverse lang. So kung secant ito, this is also secant, ito tangent. Kung cosecant naman, cosecant ito naman cotangent. Kaya medyo madali lang tandaan ang mga formulas na 'to. So saan naman 'to nanggaling? Paano naman 'to dinerive? If we let again y is equals to cosecant of u, we all know na yung y is equal to the 1 over sine of u. 'Di ba? Doon sa inverse functions natin. Ang inverse function ng cosecant is 1 over sine. Now, taking the derivative dy with respect to u of this one, d over du of 1 over sine u. So, gaya nung ginawa natin doon sa derivative of c over v, derivative of c over v, which is negative c dv over v squared. Okay? Kaya ang mangyayari is magiging dy over du. So, dy over du, this is equal to negative, ang c natin is 1, times derivative ng v. Anong derivative ng sine? That is equal to cosine u all over sine squared u. So, pag hiwalayin ulit natin, dy over du is equals to negative of 1 over sine u times cosine u over tan u. So, this will become dy over du is equals to negative cosecant u times, di ba ang cosine, sorry, this is not tan, this is sine. Cosine over sine is cotan u du. So, with respect to x, ito is magiging na tong dy over dx equals negative of cosecant u cotangent u times du over dx. So, yan yung derivative formula ng cosecant function. Okay, let's try using this formula sa sample problem. Ito yung ating example number 1. So, pinapahanap sa atin is the y double prime or the second derivative if our y is equal to 2 cosecant of x. So, find y double prime if y is equals to cosine of x. So, ang solution natin, if y natin is equal to cosecant of x, we all know that y prime nito is, ano derivative ng cosecant? Cosecant x, negative cosecant x times cotangent x times derivative ng x which is 1. So, wag na natin isulat. Kasi yan lang din naman. Now, y double prime equals. So, di ba, ang derivative, since nagmumultiply na ito at ito, we will take the derivative of u times v as u dv plus v du. Okay, so yan yung derivative formula na gagamitin natin. So, we will let itong cosecant x natin as our u, meanwhile, itong cotangent x as our v. Okay, so if we let u equals cosecant x, pwede nga natin isama yung negative para hindi na makalito sa u natin. Okay, so bale, lahat na natin to isama na u para wala na tayong intindihin mamaya. So, negative na to. Okay, so therefore, ang du natin dito is negative times, ano derivative ng cosecant? Negative cosecant x cotangent x times dx, which is 1. Or, simply, du is equals to cosecant x cotangent x. Okay. Next, doon naman tayo sa v natin, which is equal to the cotangent of x. Ano naman ang derivative ng cotangent x? So, kung hindi pa nakikita ang derivative ng cotangent, pwede nyong panoorin ang part 4 ng series ng derivative of trigonometric functions, which is yun ay about the derivative of cotangent. So, ang derivative ng cotangent x, that is equal to negative cosecant squared x times, i-derive pa natin to. Basta tandaan, palaging dinederive yung angle. Ang derivative ng x is 1, so 1 lang din naman, wag na natin isulat. Pero tandaan nyo, laging dinederive yan. Okay, so meron na tayong u, du, dv, and dx. Okay, so therefore, ang mangyayari, substitute na natin dito. Magiging na itong y double prime is now equal, feeling ko hindi magkakasya. Adjust natin. Y double prime is now equal u times dv. Ang u natin is negative cosecant x times ang dv natin is negative cosecant squared x. Okay? Plus, ang v natin na cotangent x times ang du natin na ito, cosecant x cotangent x. Okay? Simplify natin. Makukuha natin yung y double prime, which is equal to negative cosecant x times negative cosecant x squared. Di ba magpa-positive yan? Cosecant cube x. Kasi cosecant x times cosecant squared is cosecant cube. Plus, ito naman, cotangent times cotangent, cotangent squared. So, magiging cosecant x cotangent squared x. So, ito na yung ating final answer for this problem. Ulitin natin yung back. Okay. So, yan yung derivative of cosecant. Okay, another sample problem. Ito yung example number 2 natin. Find the derivative of y equals x cubed times 5x squared. So, ito, this will fall under derivative of a product, diba? Derivative of a product, which is d over the derivative of u times v is equal to u dv plus v du. Derivative of a product, ito. So, gamitin natin siya. Ito na ang ilit natin na u, itong nauna. Meanwhile, ito na yung ating v. Okay? So, kung ang u natin is x cubed, matik, ang du natin is 3x squared times 1. Chain rule yan eh. Tapos, kung ang v naman natin is cosecant 5x squared. So, ang magiging dv natin is negative cosecant 5x squared cotangent 5x squared. Tapos ano pa yung minomultiply natin dito? The derivative ng 5x squared which is 10x. Okay? So, simply, dv is equal to negative 10x cosecant 5x squared cotangent 5x squared. So, yan na yan. So, gamitin na natin siya dito. So, ang mangyayari, magiging na tong y prime is now equal to u. Ano yung u? X cubed times u dv. Negative 10x cosecant 5x squared cotangent 5x squared. Plus, ano yung v? Cosecant 5x squared times du na 3x squared. Okay? So, ang y prime, simplify na lang natin, magiging negative 10 x cubed times x is x to the fourth cosecant 5x squared cotangent 5x squared plus 3x squared cosecant 5x squared. Okay? Pwede naman itong masimplify. Y prime equals, labas natin yung x squared cosecant 5x squared. So, x squared cosecant of 5x squared times, ayusin ko lang. Bigyan ko ng mga space para hindi nakakalito. Cosecant 5x squared times, ano matitira dito? Unahin ko na to kasi ito yung positive. 3 minus, kasi 3 na lang matitira dyan. Ito is 10x squared kasi inalis ko yung x squared tas yung cosecant. Times cotangent 5x squared. So, this will be our final answer. Ay, hindi square. Okay. So, yan yung final answer natin and the tutorial for derivative of cosecant.